Major
minus
event.
45 seconds. Minus 40 seconds.
In the flight sequence,
minus
the strap-ons
seconds.
ignite 4.8 seconds before T0 or the liftoff time. I urge the viewers to watch out for this during the launch.
Real-time programs activated.
Minus 25 seconds.
T minus 25 seconds. And we give a hold
minus
to our
20
speech.
seconds.
And let's hear to the launch countdown from the Mission Control Center.
Minus 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Plus 5 seconds.
Lift off normal.
Majestic liftoff and a very good launch of the GSLV F10. The Range Operations Director has announced it.
सफलतापूर्ण उत्थापन GSLV F10 का अपने प्रमोशन मंच से सामान्य काम करते हुए और रेंज ऑपरेशन डायरेक्टर ने अभी घोषणा की सामान्य निष्पादन प्रथम चरण का। इसकी गर्जना हम यहाँ बैठकर सुन सकते हैं। यह बहुत ही रोमांचक होता है। GSLV F10 अपने निर्दिष्ट पथ की ओर।
The steering program of the launch vehicle is designed to enable vertical lift until clearing the umbilical tower, which takes about 7 seconds. Then the roll maneuver is implemented to orient the launch vehicle axis along the intended launch azimuth. About 30 seconds into the flight, the gravity turn is initiated. The nominal thrust is 4,815 kilonewtons. The pitch, yaw and roll control is through gimbal of L40 engines.
GSLV F10 is traveling eastward after liftoff from Shar Coast. The two TTC stations at Shar will provide real-time telemetry data to Mission Control Center from liftoff minus 30 minutes to 500 seconds after liftoff when geometrical loss of signal occurs.
S139 burnout. L40 is continuing.
प्रथम चरण सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ
Plus 2
प्रथम
minutes.
चरण के कोर मोटर का ज्वलन काल खत्म हो गया। अभी आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर एनिमेशन देख पा रहे हैं।
First stage performance normal.
इस क्रम में अगला L40 जो कि तरल नोदक पर आधारित L40 स्ट्रैप-ऑन्स हैं, उनका ज्वलन काल 153 सेकंड का होता है।
L40 engines shut off. GS2 stage engine started.
अभी आपने देखा GS1 प्रथम चरण अपना सामान्य निष्पादन तथा ज्वलन काल रॉकेट से वियोजित हो चुका है। तथा GS2 चरण का प्रज्वलन हो चुका है।
Plus 3 minutes.
These are the flight parameters on your TV screens right now. We are 3 minutes after the launch.
Second stage performance normal.
The GS2 stage with Earth Storable Liquid Propulsion System is the second stage of the launch vehicle. It is powered with high thrust Vikas engine, which flew for the first time in GSLV F08 and uses a longer propellant tank from GSLV F11. This stage is loaded with about 42 tons of hypergolic propellants stored in two aluminum alloy tanks of 2.8 meter diameter, separated by common bulkhead, and is powered with a turbopump-fed high-thrust Vikas engine. The engine is provided with two plain
Payload fairing separated.
for pitch and yaw using electromechanical actuators.
A major flight event has taken place just now that is the separation of the payload fairing. We are 255 seconds after the launch. The altitude currently is 123 kilometers.
The roll control of GS2 was achieved by hot gas roll control system.
ऊष्मा कवच अभी पृथक हो चुका है हमारे रॉकेट से। इसका यह मतलब है कि हमारा रॉकेट अब घने वायुमंडल से पार जा चुका है।
Second stage engine shut off.
अब GS2 को बंद कर उसे पृथक कर दिया गया है रॉकेट से।
Plus 5 minutes.
तत्पश्चात GS3 स्टेज इंजन का प्रज्वलन हो चुका है और वह सामान्य निष्पादन कर रहा है। यह अंतिम चरण है जो हमारे उपग्रह EOS-3 को निर्दिष्ट कक्षा में स्थापित करेगा।
There is a confirmation about the start of the third stage of the flight, the GS3, the cryogenic upper stage, which is the third stage of GSLV. It functions on cryogenic locks and LH2. The stage uses India's first indigenously developed cryogenic engine, CE 7.5, which operates in staged combustion cycle. CUS has the unique feature of thrust and mixture ratio control systems, which can be fine-tuned based on mission requirements.
Plus 6 minutes.
The stage uses two steering engines, is having two plane gimballing provision for pitch, yaw and roll control. After continued success, the stage was modified with a length increase to accommodate higher propellant loading for better payload capability. This re-engineered C-15 stage with 15 tons propellant loading has been flown in GSLV F-11 and is flowing in the present mission and planned in future missions as well. This is the 8th time ISRO is flying indigenous cryo stage for GSLV. The nominal thrust of GS3 is 73.97 kilonewtons and the specific impulse is
Plus 7 minutes. Plus 8 minutes.